Hey, what's going on? So somebody had asked a question. They needed help with a Shopify store. One of the buttons on their store was different from the rest of the buttons on their store, and they wanted to see how they could change the color so that that button color matched the rest of the colors on their store. And I'm going to show you a quick manual way that you can do this. What you want to do is go to the section that has the button that's the color is different in your customize and then click on that section here. So you see here on that section. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you are on the outermost block. So that way you're going to look for custom CSS. So whichever section that block is in, look for the outermost blocks that you can click on custom CSS. What you want to do is you want to come to the custom CSS, and in there, you want to paste this code. The button you want to type in so button and then have a bracket, background color, and then whatever color that you want it to be. Now, sometimes this might not work, so I'm going to show you another trick. So if you do, so let me put it like this, and I'm going to put 0A, 0A, 0A. Let's say, see, it didn't change. What you can do is you can do a space, exclamation mark like this, and then type important like that. And then you see it overrides it and it changes. So you can, this is a quick and easy fix if the button color, you're just trying to change the color, it's not changed for some reason, it's different. Go to your custom CSS, add this code in there, everything should be working. If it still doesn't work, if it still doesn't work or you have any other questions, please feel free to send me an email. All my information is down below. I'll be glad to help you out with this and any other questions that you have on the Shopify store. Once again, I hope this video was able to help you out. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out.